Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial lined up for you. We're going to walk you through the process of creating an SSH, SSL, TLS, stunnel, server payload, and setting it up on the Netmod VPN app. This setup will help you achieve faster speeds and a more secure web connection. For more VPN updates and hidden tricks, be sure to visit our blog. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First, let's create an SSH/TLS server account. Open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results. Click on the official UDP Custom website. This is where we'll create our SSH/SSL server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, locate the menu icon, often displayed as 3 horizontal lines, also known as a hamburger icon. Click on it to reveal a list of options. From the options, select SSH server. In the new window, click on SSH stunnel server. You'll then be redirected to an account creation page. Here, enter your username, solve the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot, and click Create Now. Within seconds, your server details will be generated and displayed on the screen. Be sure to save these details. Now that you have your SSH TLS server details, let's move on to the Netmod VPN app. Go to the Google Play Store on your device and search for Netmod VPN. Tap on the app in the search results and click Install. Once the app is installed, click Open to launch it. On the app's home screen, click the hamburger icon in the upper left corner to expand the menu. From the list, tap the plugin icon and select the SSH Mode Radio button. A new interface will appear on the home page of the app. Paste your valid payload in the payload box. Below that, input a valid SNI or the host of your SSH server. Don't forget to check the boxes for both SSH and SSL. Next, click the hamburger icon again to expand the menu and select SH Profile from the list. A new screen will appear, showing an empty profile section. Tap the small page icon with a plus sign at the top of the screen. This will open a new window where you can input the server data you created earlier. In the Remarks field, add a name for your profile. Paste the host IP address of your server. Enter the port number. Use 443 if using both SSH and SSL. Fill in your username and password in the respective fields. Once you've entered all the details correctly, click the Add button to save your profile. Now, go back to the main page of the app. At the bottom, click the Play button to connect. Within seconds, you'll have a secure web connection powered by your SSH/SSL TLS server. And that's it! You've successfully connected the SSH/SSL TLS server on the Netmod VPN app. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.